What is going on, good people of YouTube? Blue Light Bandit here, and I've got a cool video for you guys today. Question for you: what do all these guns right here have in common besides just being sexy as hell? Quick answer for you: they're all considered to be big bores. I know they don't look like big bore guns, especially this little dude right here, but technically anything 40 caliber and above is considered to be a big bore firearm. So 40 caliber, 45, 44, 41, anything 40 and up is considered to be a big bore weapon. So that brings me to what I'm so excited to show you today. So we'll get all these out of the way and show you my unboxing. Alright guys, this is something that's been on my bucket list for a long time now. Dean, he's actually got a gold little replica of one of these things, and I haven't talked to him in a while, and his name's slipping my mind. David Argento out in California. He's been wanting one of these, and I don't think he can get one because he's in the great state of California that can't have anything. But he's wanting one real bad, and I've been wanting one for a long time, and I finally got my hands on one of these, and I'm so tickled with it. But they sent me the wrong one, but it's not that big a deal. I'm still excited to at least get it in my possession. We'll just gotta switch it out. As you can tell, Magnum Research, and by the title, the Eagle has landed, and it needs cleaning, but there she is. Desert Eagle 50 caliber AE. Is that not just sexy? If you say no, there's something wrong with you. Made in the USA, and that is a hunk of damn steel, son. Oh my God. You talking about something heavy? My God. Now, let me tell you, I've handled, there's no telling, countless amounts of firearms in my life, in my career. I've handled, I don't know, I'm afraid to even put a number on how many guns I've handled in my lifetime, and I'm very comfortable around them. Small, big, never, I can pick one up and I'm totally fine with them. When I first picked this bitch up, I'm not going to lie, I was out of my comfort zone. When I picked this thing up, I was like, my God. Took the magazine out, done a safety check. When I pulled the slide back, it was like, Jesus Christ. I felt like I might lose a few fingers if I'm not careful, if I let the slide go. I mean, just look at that thing. Look at the size of that breech. I mean, my God. That is just crazy, son. But is it not just a work of art and beautiful? Yes, it is beautiful. Is this... Now, to give you a little fun facts about these Desert Eagles, a lot of people say that these were invented in Israel, and they weren't. They were actually originated in the United States. The patent was applied for in the United States, and you can read it up for it on yourself. I mean, but And I forgot, it might have been around 79, but it was in the early 80s when the patent was applied for. And it's true that, and the name, is about like guitars and manufacturers, name brands, and like, and, each manufacturer consumes, Fender and blah, 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 Gibson, owns so many. It's just gun manufacturers are no different. It's like Magnum Research and Car, Israel Arms, and Magnum Research, and blah, 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 blah. And they buy out everybody. And I can't remember who owns who, but they're back in the United States now. And I believe they're in Minnesota, if I'm not mistaken. Made by, or I think Car Arms acquired Magnum Research, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, it didn't originate in Israel. It started out in the United States under U.S. patent. But it is the most powerful. It is the biggest semi-automatic handgun in the world. It's the 50 AE, and the AE stands for Action Express, in case you didn't know that. And the bullet, the round, that damn thing weighs 1.2 ounces. That one cartridge weighs 1.2 ounces. That is a big bitch. With it loaded, I weighed it up. It weighs, oh God, a little over 5 pounds. God, it's heavy as hell. It's unbelievably heavy. I can't wait to see how bad my grouping will be. And just for funsies, I laid out some cartridges right here. I'm sure I'm forgetting a few. I just grabbed some out for a comparison. I know I didn't grab a 10mm. I know I forgot some. There's a 22 and a 44, a 45, 9mm. Just so you, a 38 special, just so you can have a look-see at the size comparison. But that 50 AE is just, like I said, it weighs 1.2 ounces. That is crazy, son. And look, and I've got huge hands. And look at that. My finger and my middle finger and thumb barely do touch. Barely do touch. Make contact. That is unreal. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first grabbed a hold of that thing, I was like, that is a freaking handful of guns, son. And I'm not gonna lie to you, if you ever get the opportunity to handle one of these and fire one, it's just be careful. Use extreme caution. It's not something, and it's not a double action weapon. It's you need to use extreme caution with this thing. Let's see, what else can I show and tell you about it? Oh, to give you an idea how heavy this thing is, this weapon right here, unloaded, only weighs 2 pounds more. This rifle only weighs 2 pounds more than this pistol, if that gives you any idea of how heavy that gun weighs. Ain't that some shit? Anyway, so yeah, that's my new toy. But what I was saying about the they sent me the wrong one. I ordered the ports. It's supposed to have ports in the barrel, and they sent me one that has the solid barrel. So I emailed them. I haven't heard back yet. Of course, I just literally got this within, it hasn't even been 24 hours yet. So they'll probably just send me another one. We'll swap it out and we'll go from there. Another cool thing about these guns is they're interchangeable. You can convert these over to change the barrels and magazines out to where they shoot 357 Magnum or 44 Magnum. Why you would want to do that, I have no idea why. If you're going to get one of these, you might as well get the big boy 50 AE and be done with it. If you're going to get a 44 or 357, then get something else. I don't see why you would want to get this, and I mean, I just don't get it. But to each his own. You know, it's your money. You do what you want to with it. Another cool thing about these is it's gas piston operated, which is unique. And a lot of your pistols is blowback operated systems, which makes them really cool, which enables this to handle these Magnum loads like it does. So that's one reason why it's got so much damn mass to it. So another little fun fact for you there. So anyway, I don't want to keep running my mouth about this gun. It's pretty much just a show and tell unboxing about it. I'm not going to shoot it today because, like I said, I'm just going to be going back and I'll be getting my ported version, and then we'll be slinging some lead. Won't be slinging too much because these are about $2 per round. So yeah, and my channel is not sponsored, and it's not making any money, so $2 per shot, it won't take long before that gets pretty damn expensive. And these guns, taxes and fees and all, they're pretty damn close to around $2,000. So yeah, $2 a shot, that adds up pretty quick. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this, and can't wait to fire it. God, it's going to be so much fun. God, it's so sexy. The damnedest thing, I tell you what, gripe, I'm gonna gripe. It comes with one magazine. One magazine. $2,000, and it comes with one magazine? Are you kidding me? Magnum Research, are you serious? One magazine? That kind of money? And another thing I'm gonna gripe about. If you spend that kind of money, you get one magazine and this cheesy ass box. Seriously, guys, somebody gonna throw that kind of money down? You're gonna give them one magazine and this cheesy box with some bubble wrap in there? Come on now. Seriously, Glock makes one of the, one of the best pistols, most reliable pistols you can buy, and they give you 3 or 4 magazines and come on now. I ain't gonna lie, I was disappointed with that, but I mean, I'm impressed with the pistol so far, but I'm gonna gripe a little bit about that. Anyway, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day. Yeah, I made a mistake when I was comparing the cartridges. I was holding up a 44 Magnum cartridge when I thought it was a 50 AE. This is the actual 50 AE. I'm running on fumes, guys. I haven't had much sleep at all, so I'm sorry. This is the actual 50 AE. I apologize, but yeah, it does weigh 1.2 ounces. Sorry about that.